Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Metus Delphi 2.8. Okay, so the Connections tab is the main part of the booter. It's going to show you all your zombie computers in list view right here, and as well as some information about your bot, like your country, status, the IP, the operating system, and much more. And down here is the port to attack on. Right here is the IP to hit, and here is the frequency. You change it to very slow, slow, medium, or high. And right here is the type of attack. You can either do SYN attack or UDP flood. And right here is selected servers only, and if this is checked, then only the selected servers will attack. And in the multicast tab, this is mainly for downloading file and executing it and updating. So, an example right here, you put in your bot, let's see, and then you could do selected servers, just selected ones that you have, or you could do all the servers. And then this, you don't really need to mess with this much. Just leave this the same. And then if you're downloading the file and executing it, go ahead and check this. Or if you're updating it, go ahead and check this. And then press OK. And then once you click this, download file and run, it'll run this from this URL right here. It'll run it and execute it. And if you click update, it'll update it to the new server or whatever executable you have. And the history tab is for USB spread history. It'll show you all the information about the USB spread that's going on. And in the options tab, you can change the color of the items. There's a big list of colors. Change it to blue, and I'm not really sure what that does. Oh yeah, I think it's, yeah, changing the colors of your bots, the information. So it's pretty nice. And you could auto listen, so once you save this and close it and reopen it, it'll auto listen on the port you put here. And a password, you don't really need a password, just leave this blank. In terms of service box, I wouldn't check this because it gets pretty annoying. Background, keep that checked. Password, uncheck that, and then save your settings. And now time for the server builder. This is going to make your bot. So go ahead and do new profile and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name this test. And then the port it's going to listen on. Now, a lot of people have started to make their Delphi bots listen on 3174, so you could go ahead and do that, or whatever port you want. The host is going to be your no IP or your IP address, so go ahead and put in yours. And then the password, again, this is for the bot. You don't need a password really, so you can just leave this blank. The server ID will be shown on your bot in the server ID column right here. You can make it whatever you want. I'm just gonna do I don't know, that's pretty random. And now a startup exe, it's gonna show in the system configuration on the startup log. So you could go ahead and change it to whatever you want, but WinLog seems pretty legit. People might think it's an accurate Windows process, so they might not terminate it. And mutex, you don't really want to mess with this. It's just for making sure the bot doesn't connect twice or whatever. So just don't really mess with this. And enable USB spread, that will infect a USB, so if it's put into another computer, then it will spread. So go ahead and click build, and your bot will be in the directory of wherever the Metus is, and it'll be called server.exe. And that's pretty much it. that's Metus Delphi 2.8 for you. So on the main connection screen, you right click, listen on your port, and you'll start getting your bots. And once you get your bots, you'll have single command. You could Firefox it, get the passwords for Firefox, or you can uninstall. So, yep, that's pretty much it. Metus Delphi for you. Goodbye.